Hello, everyone. Welcome to White Eagle. This is a podcast to learn English with fun stories.
Hi, we are Emma and Lucas. We work at a bakery, in a big supermarket, in a quiet city. Today, we tell you about our day. It's a busy day.
Yes, Lucas, we do a lot. Let's start the story. My name is Emma. I am 22 years old. I work at a bakery in a big supermarket. I love my job. I bake bread, cakes, and cookies. The bakery smells good, like fresh bread and sweet cookies.
I'm Lucas. I'm 24 years old. I work with Emma. We make bread and cakes every day. It's hard work, but it's fun. Emma, why do you like the bakery?
I like baking. It makes me happy. Customers smile when they buy our bread, but we wake up early. Sometimes I'm tired. Lucas, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 4:30 in the morning. It's dark. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and drink hot coffee. Coffee helps me wake up.
I wake up at 4:45. I do the same. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and drink coffee. I eat breakfast, usually toast with butter or a banana. Sometimes a boiled egg.
I eat an egg and bread. I get dressed and leave at 5. I drive to the supermarket. The roads are quiet. I like the quiet.
I leave at 5:15. I drive too. I arrive at 5:30. Lucas is always there first. He waits at the door.
Yes, Emma. I like to be early. I park my car in the staff area. It's for workers only. Then I walk to the bakery.
I park next to Lucas. We walk to the bakery together. I say, "Good morning, Lucas."
I say, "Good morning, Emma." Ready to bake?
Yes, we put on our aprons. Aprons keep our clothes clean. We wear white hats too. Hats keep our hair away from food.
We wash our hands with soap. Clean hands are important. Then we check the oven. The oven is a hot box for baking. Some bread is ready. It smells good.
The bread is hot. We use gloves to take it out. Lucas puts it on a metal table. The table is big and silver.
We make new dough. Dough is the mix for bread. We use flour, water, sugar, salt, and eggs. We mix in a big bowl. The bowl is heavy.
Lucas is strong. He lifts the bowl. I mix the dough. It's soft.
We shape it into round bread, sandwich bread, and rolls.
At 6, we bake baguettes. Baguettes are long, thin bread. At 6:30, Emma bakes croissants. They are buttery and smell good.
I check the oven temperature. It's 200 degrees. While croissants bake, Lucas cleans the tables with a cloth.
I take fresh bread to the shelves. Shelves are in the store. I check prices. Bread is $2. Croissants are $1.
I help Lucas. We make the shelves look nice. Customers like that.
At 7 o'clock, the supermarket opens. Lights turn on. People come in. Some buy fruit. Others come to our bakery. A woman comes to the counter. I say, "Good morning. How can I help you?" What does she want?
She says, "Is the bread fresh?" I say, "Yes, we baked it at 6 o'clock. Very fresh." She says, "1 loaf, please."
Do you slice it?
Yes, she says, "Slice it, please." I ask, "Thin or regular?" She says, "Regular." I slice it and say, "Here you go. That's $3." She says, "Thank you."
At 7:30, a man comes. He says, "Do you have cookies?" I say, "Yes, we have chocolate cookies."
Does he buy them?
Yes, he says, 10 cookies, please. I put them in a bag. I say, "That's $5." He pays with a card.
At 8, the phone rings. I answer. I say, "Hello, this is the bakery. How can I help you?"
Who is it?
A woman says, "I want a birthday cake." I say, "What size? Small, medium, or large?" She says, "Medium, for 10 people."
What flavour?
I ask, "Chocolate or vanilla?" She says, "Vanilla, please." I say, "What message on the cake?" She says, "Happy 10th birthday, Lily."
When does she want it?
She says, "Saturday at 2 p.m. I write it down. I say, "Okay, it's ready then." "Your name?" She says, "Anna Brown." I say, "Thank you."
At 9, a funny customer comes. He says, "I want a chocolate cake." I say, "Okay." I give him a vanilla cake by mistake.
Oh no, Lucas. What happens?
He says, "This is vanilla, not chocolate." I laugh and say, "Sorry, here's the chocolate cake." He smiles and says, "No problem."
That's funny. Good you fixed it.
At 10 o'clock, a man asks about baguettes. He says, "No baguettes on the shelf. Are they sold out?"
I say, "Yes, we sold out, but we bake more." He says, "When?" I say, "At 2 p.m. He says,
I'll come back.
Good customer service, Emma.
At 11 o'clock, a woman comes for a cake. She says, I'm here for a birthday cake. I say, what name? She says, Clara Smith.
Is it ready?
Yes. I say, vanilla cake. Happy birthday, Tom? She says, yes. I give her the cake. I say, enjoy the party. She says, thank you.
At 11:30, we finish most work. Shelves are full. The bakery smells good. We clean the counters and floors.
Our job is not easy. We wake up early. We stand all day. But we love it. I say, Lucas, our bread makes people happy.
Yes, Emma. We are a good team.
Thank you for listening to White Eagle. Now, let's learn new words.
First word, co-workers. People who work with you. Example, Emma and Lucas are co-workers.
Second word, sold out. No more left to buy. Example, baguettes are sold out now.
Third word, batch. A group of things made together. Example, this batch of bread is fresh.
Fourth word, oven. A hot box for baking. Example, we put croissants in the oven.
Emma, what's your favourite part of the day?
I like when customers smile. It feels good. What about you?
I like baking cookies. The smell is great. Listeners, do you like food jobs?
Tell us in the comments. Would you work at a bakery?
Please like, comment and subscribe to White Eagle.
See you next time.